Hey guys, it is July the 14th, 2025, and some of you have asked for an update, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I am home, I am well, I am getting around. They sent me home on July the 1st, so I'm back home with this awesome view on my porch where I can just sit and commune with the Father. This is just, He's blessed me beyond measure. My physical therapist and occupational therapist all say they don't need to come anymore because they don't see a need for that. I'm able to get around just fine. As you can see, my left side is still a little numb, but I'm confident the Father's going to restore that fully as well. So I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about what's been going on in the news. Many of you have seen all the mass flooding events that are happening, not just here, but worldwide. And I wanted to share with you my thoughts on that after prayer and seeking the Father on where we are on His prophetic timeline. My understanding is twofold, that Isaiah 24:20 is what we're seeing play out right now. That verse says that the earth shall reel to and fro like a drunkard and shall be removed like a cottage, because the weight of the sin upon the earth will cause it to fall and never rise again. Well, I do believe that the earth is a flat, non-rotating disc, as the Bible describes, shaped more like a frisbee, with the side edges being like the ice wall. And so if you place water in a frisbee and you rock it back and forth, the water is going to slosh out of its basins. And we know from Scripture that the Father has given boundaries to the water on the earth, and so by reeling to and fro, that water is going to be displaced. So I believe that that is an explanation for what we are seeing of all of these mass flooding events. The second part of that is where the Father, through His Son, describes the beginning of sorrows, or the beginning of the birth pangs. So anyone that's ever had a child, any woman that's ever had a child, can understand that the first process of giving birth is that the water breaks. And after that, then you have the contractions, and then the baby's born. So I believe that what we're seeing now is that the water is breaking. We are entering the time of birth pangs, or the beginning of sorrows, and contractions are what we should expect next. Now, on the earth, that's going to look like earthquakes. It's going to look like volcanoes erupting. It's going to look like unusually high seismic activity. So we need to be braced for that and expecting that, and asking the Father to protect us through all of that, which He says He will. There's a woman described in Isaiah 66 who we are told will deliver her baby before she experiences the first birth pang. I believe that is the first fruits. A woman from Isaiah 66. There's also another woman described in Revelation 12 that says she delivers her child after much travail. So she must go through some severe birth pangs before her baby is born. But the first fruits are not that woman. They are the Isaiah 66 woman. I do believe and am confident and declare that so over myself and anyone whom the Father has shown that they are His first fruits. Now, I made a video a while back, June the 6th, that describes that Pentecost, when it is fully come, the disciples were accused of being drunk on new wine. So some of you know, I have done the calculation of each month based on the full moon being the start of the month, because of what we are shown at Passover, that there was a solar eclipse. Now, if you calculate from the full moon the 7 completed Sabbaths for the 50 days, first 50-day count, and the additional 50-day count after the 7 Sabbaths are completed, that brings you to July 27th for when Pentecost is fully come. Now, I want you all to pray on that, ask the Father to confirm this for you. But from my understanding, Pentecost will fully come around the time of July 27th. So we are seeing the water break We will soon see the many contractions. Any of you that follow earthquake activity on the earth have seen what's happening in Japan and Thailand and Taiwan, all of these different major earthquakes that are popping off. So just be ready. I did just want to give you this update, and thank you guys for your prayers. Thank you all for those that are continuing to pray. I can feel your prayers. The Father is so good. And I just wanted to give you this quick update. Be blessed, guys, and stay ready. He's coming.